Big Shot machine comes in the option of a stylish starter kit, including a selection of dies and a versatile embossing folder. The kit is perfect for makers of all abilities and is ideal for a variety of project types. Included in the kit is also a gorgeous paper pad, allowing creatives to get started right away. The starter kit offers a chance to expand on creativity and start creating straight out of the box. Let's start by using the thinlets. We need to keep the platform just as it is and place the first cutting pad on top. Then add your cardstock, followed by one of the 14 thinlets that comes in the pack. Make sure the thinlet is face down on the card and place the other cutting pad on top to finish off your sandwich and run through the machine. And as you can see, this has cut the shape out perfectly. Now let's take a look at embossing. This embossing folder comes as part of the starter kit. As you can see from your instructions, we're going to need to change platforms and use tab 1. Use your cutting plates to start creating your sandwich and place your cardstock inside of the embossing folder. Place the cutting pads and embossing folder on top of the platform and run through the machine. And as you can see, you're left with a beautifully embossed texture on your card. Now let's have a look at the Biggs die in action. The Biggs die is a steel rule technology inside of the foam which cuts through a multitude of materials, including cardboard, foam, felt, leather, paper and many others. I'm going to use felt as an example. So taking the felt, I'm going to place it over the Biggs where I want to cut all the shapes. With Biggs, you don't need the platform, so this can be removed. Just place the Biggs and the material in between the two cutting pads. And then run this sandwich through the machine. And there you have it, perfect shapes every time.